From the Mumbai studios of Republic TV, it's time for Arnab Goswami on The Debate.
Ladies and gentlemen, the surgical strike video is out and Pakistan and its stooges in India have nowhere to hide tonight. Their motivated campaigns and loud denials have been blown up, just like our forces blowing up their terror camps on September 29, 2016. This country of liars should watch this video and realize one thing: you can't mess with the Indian Army.
Target 2. What you see is a map that establishes the second target well beyond the LOC inside Pakistan territory. On the left of the map, a UAV aerial shot with the exact coordinates of target 2. This still shot on the top left of the video, establishing that there was a Pakistani terror bunker. This picture showing the exact location of the Pakistan terror bunker on a hilly terrain. Top right of the video, establishing the time of the attack, 6:13 AM. Date of the attack, September 29th, 2016. As the video progresses, footage from our forces' head-mounted cameras establishing target 2. This, the first strike on the target, captured by the head-mounted camera. Watch how rocket launchers and anti-bunker missiles are fired at this Pakistan terror camp. The camera moves as back-to-back strikes are mounted. Strike 1 hits target 2. The attack captured on the head-mounted camera, all of which was beamed live to the Army control room. This UAV over target 2 showing the aerial strike on the Pakistan terror bunker. 6:15 AM. Strike 2 on target 2, also captured by UAV. Strike 3 seen from thermal imaging from a higher altitude, and the last strike on target 2 completely demolishes the terror bunker and target 2 is destroyed. As the video progresses, watch how the two synchronized videos are seen. Captured one on UAV and second on the head-mounted camera. UAV hit on the left, matching the head-mounted camera shot on the right. Target set, fired at. A ball of fire seen from the Pakistan terror bunker in both UAV and the head-mounted cameras. Fire and smoke engulf target 2 as surgical strike destroys this terror bunker completely. Each and every blow captured through thermal imaging. The time of the final assault established as 6:19 AM. Video of target 3 opening with the map establishing the location inside Pakistan territory. This still shot capturing 3 men standing, 1 sitting on location at target 2. In the frame, a still shot of a hilly and forest terrain with 4 terrorists outside a Pakistani bunker. The image confirming that there were 4 terrorists. Watch as the video moves to show the thermal imaging camera capturing the first strike on the Pak terror bunker. The sheer force of the strike showing how the bunker was blown up. A tree uprooted which then collapsed over the bunker. Rocket launchers and anti-bunker missiles bombard target 3 as the video moves forward. The damage had been done. Thermal camera now showing the 4th strike on Pakistan terror bunker as our special forces took no chances. Bunker decimated. Damage captured. The smoke billowing from this destroyed bunker confirming that surgical strike was successful.
And on the debate tonight, I have Mona Alam is there with us from Islamabad, and I'd like to open the debate with her. First of all, General Jaswal, first to you, sir. General Jaswal, former Army Commander, Northern Command. You've seen the video footage out there across India. There's a sensation today at this footage. A lot of pride at what we are seeing. When you see this footage, as a former Army Commander, Northern Command, your views on what you see on the video.
My first view is I'm proud of the commanders and the people who prosecuted this actual surgical strike and not the farcical, so-called farcical. That's the reason today I'm wearing my infantry tie, because I'm proud of my infantry. Let me tell you anyone, any nation who starts questioning the army for a task the way it does, I think it's a very, very shameful thing. These people who are asking, I think they have no idea whatsoever as to what goes on when you go with live bullets. They've never seen live bullets. Tomorrow they will say Vikram Bhatta died during the Kargil war. Did he die of his own bullet? Did he die of an enemy bullet? Was any post-mortem carried out? Shameful. Let me tell you why we were not disclosing all the details of the video. You can now extrapolate that our methodology of going in for the strike is being exposed. A task is given to us. How we do it, it's our responsibility. We need not share with anyone. We are showing to the whole public that this is how we captured this, the UAV, this is how people went in. Why should secret details be shared just because some politician who doesn't understand warfare, who doesn't understand what exactly it means to be in combat zone,
Precisely.
he wants to know that it was a fuzzy strike?
Correct.
What a shame.
What a shame. What
I
a
don't know
shame.
who said this because I've just traveled.
Yeah.
I've just traveled. I do not even know.
Yeah. Well, that was Arun Shourie. Let's now.
I
we
feel
have
very pain.
Yeah,
but
yeah.
I'm proud of our boys.
Yeah. Now we have a few Pakistani guests with us today, General Jaswal, and I think now that this footage has been released,
Yes.
we need to ask them a few questions. And I'd like Army Man to debate with Army Man at this stage of the debate. And I'd therefore like Colonel Asad Mahmood to come in with you, General Jaswal. Colonel Asad Mahmood, okay, we have with us Air Vice Marshal Abid Rao. Air Vice Marshal Abid Rao, look at the footage out there. You can debate with GD Bakshi as well. The footage is absolutely clear. And it is precise. And it is exact. Absolutely no doubt about it. You can see the footage minute to minute, and there is the location markers, time markers, and everything. Everything on there. Every single thing is on air. The individuals, the targets, the times. You called the strikes concocted. And now that the video footage has been released, I think, Abid Rao, it would be good for you to concede that India has completely exposed you. Abid Rao and GD Bakshi.
Okay, let me speak first.
Hello.
Yeah.
I've been saying on your program for last 4 to 5 years that Mr. Modi is following the policies of Adolf Hitler.
Yeah.
Hitler had a propaganda minister or the information minister, Mr. Goebbels. His primary task was to create such fake news, fabricate facts, and mislead his own nation. And I've been telling you that
please,
Mr.
please,
Modi is going to
control
follow the
yourself.
same
No,
fate of
there's an
Hitler.
extent to which
He
I will
go
allow
like
you.
him,
Extent to which I will allow you to talk rubbish out
break
here.
up his country.
One, enough is enough. Enough is enough. RSN is also on the debate out
No.
here. You see
You
the
have to
footage
listen to
here.
that.
You see the footage here. You go
tell
weak in your
lies.
news. You can't acknowledge it.
And lies on your media. You
can't acknowledge it.
I don't care if you're showing.
You can't acknowledge it.
You have made many such
Arnab,
movies
can
on
I-
Kargil, in Bollywood,
Arnab,
Phantom,
can I please
and you want to
interject?
come in and hit. You dare not do that. You do that and you will be punished.
Well, you dare not. You dare not. You dare not. You know something? Let me tell you. Let me tell you, you Pakistanis, you lying false Pakistanis. We hit you with missiles. We hit you with grenades. We hit you with assault rifles. And now we had a UAV recording of it. We hit you and we record the act of hitting you. GD Bakshi is responding to you. GD Bakshi.
You have made a film on LOC, Kargil. They're all fake films.
GD Bakshi, we can't take this lying down.
Air Marshal Abid Rao, kindly.
Yes.
Air Marshal Abid Rao, kindly give me the courtesy of replying to you. Thank you. Now, Arnab, what I wish to point out is, kindly see the context. When the American SEALs hit
More of the
Osama bin
footage.
Laden, neutralized him in Abbottabad, General Kayani had hell to pay.
Please don't
He was
compare yourself
heckled
with
and
Americans.
shouted by his own Pakistani
pygmies.
officers. Please let me finish.
Sir, don't shout at GD Bakshi.
Don't get so excited. Let
I'm
me
shouting
finish.
at you.
Let me
Sir, don't
finish.
shout at me, sir. I can
was
shout
saying
back.
that-
I'm just
that-
respecting
that-
your age.
that-
You are shouting.
Yes, I am. And you lie more, I'll shout more at you. I'll shout 10 times over. See the footage.
you know,
Make all of Pakistan
Air
watch
Marshal
it.
Abid Rao, the fact.
We demolish
the
you
fact
like
of the
rats.
matter is, the fact of the matter is.
We burnt your camps to cinders.
When General Kayani had to. Can I please come in now, Arnab?
Yes, yes.
Acha. You know, when General Kayani had to face the consequences of answering for the Osama bin Laden operation, you know, he was shouted at by his own officers. And Arnab, imagine the chagrin of General Rahil Sharif. He was about to retire in a few days when he got a splash of cold water in his face, when he got the news of the successful surgical strike by our special forces inside his territory over a frontage of 200.
Sir, who is fabricating these stories?
And our boys
Who is
went
telling you?
without a scratch. These
are your imaginary
Can I just
things.
finish? Can I just finish?
For God's sake.
Air Marshal Abid Rao, we
Sir, please
respect
take it
you
easy.
as a
You are making
Sir, you take it easy, sir. You take it easy, sir.
Can I kindly
You
finish?
take it easy. You can't reconcile
kindly
yourself to the
finish?
fact that we bombarded you. I'll show you the footage. Show these Pakistanis the footage, Gaurav Arya. Show these Pakistanis the footage. Describe it to them. Describe it to these Pakistanis, Gaurav. I want to hear you describe it to Wasim Aftab, Mona Alam. इनको समझाइए इनको क्या हो रहा है यहाँ पे फुटेज पे दिखाइए इनको बोलिए आप उर्दू में उनको समझाइए उनको समझ में आएगी किस तरह से सर्जिकल स्ट्राइक्स हुए हैं ये सारे हर पाकिस्तानी को देखना चाहिए कि ये तो 10-15 इंडियन सोल्जर्स ये करते हैं अगर 200-300 घुस जाए तो फिर तो बर्बाद कर देंगे पाकिस्तान को Gaurav, why don't you explain to them?
Surma Kashmir में
Gaurav,
रहते
explain
हैं.
to them.
What the hell are they doing?
Oh, come on.
Killing innocent people.
देखिए मैं बताता हूँ
Come on. You,
अर्नब ये जो
BBC की
एयर
रिपोर्ट
मार्शल
थी.
साहब परेशान हो रहे हैं मैं
India is
आपको
the
बताता हूँ क्या
most
हुआ है
unsafe country in the world.
सर्जिकल स्ट्राइक
Every
सुनिए
20
सुनिए
minutes
सुनिए
you are
बीबीसी का गाना मत गाइए
by you
ये
people.
इतना विक्टिम कार्ड ये लोग प्ले करते हैं पाकिस्तानी हर चीज में विक्टिम कार्ड है
अरे
ना
हमने
ये जो
Footage,
एयर
footage,
मार्शल साहब
footage.
कह रहे हैं ना कि
Footage in the middle.
स्ट्राइक फर्जी है और झूठी है मैं इनके
You
बारे में
should be
बताता हूँ
ashamed.
इनके बारे
Your
में
women are
बताता
not safe
हूँ इन
by
लोगों
you.
ने क्या करा कि इन लोगों ने
आप क्या बताएंगे? Mind your
16
own
दिसंबर
women.
को इन्होंने पैर पकड़े
अरे
हमारे
they are not safe.
16
Whole
दिसंबर
world is now
1971
watching.
15 दिसंबर को ये लोग कह रहे थे
Every 20
वेरी
minutes
क्लोज
an
टू
Indian woman is raped.
विक्ट्री इंडियन
This is
आर्मी
a
इज बीइंग
recorded
थ्रोन आउट
fact.
ऑफ ईस्ट पाकिस्तान ये झूठे अच्छा अब आ जाइए आप कारगिल ऑपरेशन
Mona Alam, let Mona Alam and Ambassador Sag Naqvi be there.
की
For next 500
बॉडीज
years.
अपने लोगों की बॉडीज वापस लेने से मना कर दिया इन लोगों ने
अर्नब
ये अपने आप को फौज कहते हैं
अरे
पता नहीं
छोड़ो
कौन
यार,
सी
पुरानी
फौज
बात
है ये
कर रहे हो।
टेम्पररी
अभी
टाइम
की
पास
बात
फौज है
करो।
Please
They
don't
refuse to
make it
take
look
back
like
the
a
bodies of the
shouting match.
soldiers.
This is
और
not
ये
a
बात
shouting
सुनिए
match.
आपके
May I
आपके
please
सुनिए,
enlighten the-
आप लोगों
may I
ने
please
गलत तरीके
enlighten
से
my
कारगिल
fellow
अटैक करा
participants with some
आपके
logic and
मुशर्रफ ने
facts.
बोला है मैडम मोना जी मुशर्रफ ने बोला है
क्या
अपनी
आवाजें
किताब
लगा रहे हैं?
में
क्या
मुशर्रफ
आवाजें
ने
लगा
बोला
रहे
है
हैं?
पढ़िए किताब
पड़ोसी हैं
उनकी
तो आवाजें लगा रहे हैं आप गौरव आर्या
आपको आवाजें
हल्के,
लगा रहे हैं
हल्के।
आपको आवाजें लगा रहे हैं
मूवी
आपको
नहीं
लगा
चल
रहे
रही
हैं।
एकता
सुनिए,
कपूर का ड्रामा
मोना जी
नहीं है
आवाजें नहीं लगा रहे
एकता
हैं।
कपूर का ड्रामा नहीं चल रहा है
मोना
यहाँ।
जी आवाजें नहीं लगा रहे हैं बम फोड़ रहे हैं बम
Only Gaurav and Mona.
आवाजें नहीं
Gaurav
लगा
and
रहे हैं,
Mona.
मोना जी अच्छे से
You
देखिए
should talk about facts.
Sambit and Mona. Sambit.
मोना जी आवाजें नहीं लगा रहे हैं
Sambit.
मिसाइल छोड़ रहे हैं बम फोड़ रहे हैं
Sambit Patra.
कर उड़ा रहे हैं आपके
मोना जी,
आतंकवादियों को
Sambit Patra.
आप जान नहीं पा रही हैं मोना जी
आपको दिक्कत
देखिए
हो रही है?
वीडियो अच्छे से देखिए
agenda today.
ये बातें नहीं मोना जी थोड़ा सा अरे मोना जी आज चेहरा छुपा लीजिए आज टीवी में आने के लिए कौन कहता था ऐसे ही पाकिस्तान आज
हालात
बदनाम हो
आपके
रहा
हुए
है
में
पूरे
चेहरा
विश्व में
छुपाने
और
वाले
ऊपर से
पूरा
आप भी आ
दिन
गई हैं आज
नकली
टीवी
वीडियोस
में
बनाते
आज
रहते हैं।
छुप के बैठना
You
चाहिए
have created a
था
bench
मोना जी
exclusively
मोना
to
जी
fabricate
नथिंग मोना
videos
जी लेट मी
against
टेल यू
Pakistan.
प्लीज
This
मोना
is
जी आई
not
डोंट
going
वांट टू
to
अटैक
work.
you
This is not
Pakistan
going
has
to
already been
transform the
attacked
lies into
I
truth.
want to be
The truth will
very
prevail,
civil
and it
and I
will
want to
prevail
convey
through
this
logic,
message to you
facts and evidences,
Pakistan has
which
been
you
attacked
don't have.
twice
I feel
that
sorry for you
fateful
guys.
night,
I'm sorry for you.
29th of September 2016, when our special forces
We
entered
flushed
into
away your
Pakistan
soldiers.
and destroyed
You dared
the
fire
camps
across the
propagating
NOC and
terrorism
we flushed away
in
your
Pakistan.
soldiers in
And
retaliation.
tonight,
Do
they have
tell
been
the public
attacked
and
yet
stop
again
hiding your
when
face
the
behind
evidence
camps.
has been produced
This
in
is a
front of the
farce.
world.
Stop fooling your
पाकिस्तान को
public
आज मुंह
behind
छुपाने
false
की
and
जगह
sham.
नहीं मिल रही है
मगर the point
आप अरुण शौरी
Gaurav Arya Gaurav
बोल रही?
कौन अरुण शौरी
Arun Shourie has showed you.
Abhishek no Gaurav Arya
एक बात बताइए मोना 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 मोना
आप
एक बात बताइए, आपको कैसे पता अरुण शौरी कौन है? आपको बड़ा पता है मैडम कि अरुण शौरी ने क्या बयान दे दिया? क्यों किसने समझाया है? झूठ मत बोलिए, शर्मसार हो जाइए, चेहरा ढकिए। किसने बोला था डिबेट में आने के लिए? मना कर देती आप।
अखबार पढ़िए,
मुझे नहीं आना। आज पाकिस्तान की बेइज्जती हुई है, मैं बेइज्जती नहीं झेल सकती, लेकिन नहीं, लातों के भूत बातों से नहीं मानते। आपको जब तक जलील ना करा जाए ओपनली मैडम, आपके मुल्क को जलील ना करा जाए, आप लोगों को हजम नहीं होता। ये फोटो देखिए, ये इसका वीडियो, मैं रिक्वेस्ट करूंगा
Let's run the footage again.
वीडियो आपको भेजे, आप इसका स्क्रीन सेवर बनाइए अपने मोबाइल फोन पे और इसको रोज देखा करिएगा। और मैं यहाँ से
ये बहुत अच्छी बात है।
स्क्रीनशॉट भेज रहा हूँ, एक चुल्लू भर पानी का।
झूठ मत बोले,
ठीक है?
कोई नहीं देखता, कोई नहीं खरीदता।
No. These are live pictures of Pakistanis being killed. अब देखिए, अभी देखिए, it is the fact of the matter is Wasim Aftab. Wasim Aftab है, Wasim Aftab is also with us today. One second. Sambit Patra of the BJP will debate with Wasim Aftab, who's spokesperson and vice chairman of Pakistan Sarzameen Party. उस सरजमीन को तो अगर हम 100 इंडियन सोल्जर्स भेज दें, गौरव, ये कहते हैं सरजमीन पार्टी। इनकी जमीन तो सर पे आ जाएगी अगर 200 हम इंडियन सोल्जर्स भेजे। गौरव आर्य बोलिए इनको, गौरव आर्य कुछ कह रहे हैं आपको? गौरव आर्य बोलिए, गौरव आर्य पाकिस्तान सरजमीन पार्टी के स्पोक्सपर्सन को कुछ कहिए।
कहा था ना यार, तुम अर्नाब, उस दिन मैंने तुमको कहा था ना कि तुम बचपन में गिर गए थे।
तुम नहीं बोलते, आप बोलते हैं।
ये कहां सीखे हो?
हाँ, मैं बता रहा हूँ यार, हमें भी पता है। चलो सुनो यार,
गौरव आर्य,
तुम सब लेके जाए आगरा के पागल खाने में। अबे हमारे बहुत सारे काम है करने के लिए। ये सारे जो लोग बैठे हुए हो ना, एक साथ टोपी लगाए हुए बैठे हुए, अबे मैदान में हार जाते हो, यहाँ पर आगे शोल्डर
पता है ये दिस मैन बिलोंग्स टू रांची।
ओनली गॉड,
इसको रांची भेजो, मौसम बहुत अच्छा है वहाँ पे।
तुम सबको
दिस मैन हैज टोटली लॉस्ट इट।
डॉक्टर
ये देखिए मुस्कुरा, इसको कहते हैं
गौरव आर्य,
चार जूते भी मारे।
इतना लगा सदमा है इनको, he started smiling on screen, इनको सदमा हो गया है। ये समझ नहीं पा रहे हैं क्या हो रहा है यहाँ पे।
निकल गए
ऐसे ऐसे हाथ गोल गोल कर रहे हैं अपने।
बम बनाए ना।
गौरव आर्य louder, गौरव आर्य,
You are the true ambassador of Pakistan. The true ambassador of Pakistan. तू तड़ाक,
मार दिए ना ये।
आपकी उर्दू है नेशनल लैंग्वेज, ये उर्दू सीखी है आपने?
ये सब वही
उर्दू तो बड़ी तमीज और एहतराम की जबान होती है साहब। आपने क्या सीखा? ये गली मोहल्ले की जबान लेकर आए यहाँ पे।
हिंदू
अर्नब, ये कौन आदमी है गली मोहल्ले से आया है यहाँ पे?
सरजमीन।
Who is this सरजमीन who has come from गली मोहल्ला?
निकाल दीजिए इसको टेलीविजन शो
पार्टी का कौन है स्पोक्सपर्सन?
तुम्हारी मीडिया को सबक सिखाना।
बिल्कुल, ये बिल्कुल नमूना कहां से लाए पकड़ के?
दहशतगर्दी का वाक़या
हम इनको आप 10 कह के मुखातिब हैं इनसे, और ये हमसे कह रहे हैं
प्राइम मिनिस्टर मोदी जो मुसलमान।
अच्छा, 1 मिनट, इसको डाउन कीजिए, ये ही इज नॉट, ये सेंसस में नहीं है, ये सेंसस में नहीं है। गौरव आर्य, इनको देखिए, ऑडियो आउट, लुक एट हिज बॉडी लैंग्वेज। इनको देखिए आप, इनको अगर देखें आप जिस तरह से बिहेव कर रहे हैं, क्या आपको लगता है ही इज इन कंट्रोल ऑफ हिमसेल्फ? ही इज नॉट इन कंट्रोल।
But natural.
Sambit Patra, he has lost his mental balance. This man
from Pakistan would be in senses.
This man has lost his mental
of course,
balance.
that is evident. Most of the Pakistani panelists today have lost all their senses because of the. See, Arnab, let me come to a serious point. We have some so-called senior people from Pakistan.
वो चिल्ला रहे हैं सरजमीन
Let
पार्टी।
me tell you, as far as Indian Army is concerned, this video shows one thing: how professional, how conventional, how disciplined is the Indian Army, and what kind of operation that the Indian Army can strike even in the center of Pakistan.
Ambassador
As far as Pakistani Army is concerned, correct me if I am wrong. Correct me if I am wrong. Abid ji, you are senior to me by age. Correct me if I am wrong. Most of these Pakistani generals, they cannot fight a conventional war.
Correct. That's a known fact.
Pakistani generals,
that everybody knows.
Enjoy the perks of being in Pakistani Army. इनका तो वॉशिंग मशीन का फैक्ट्री है, किसी का बिस्कुट बनाने का फैक्ट्री है। नहीं, इनका बिस्कुट बनाने का फैक्ट्री है, किसी का वॉशिंग मशीन का फैक्ट्री है। All of these army generals of Pakistan are unfit to fight any kind of battle, and that's the reason as to why they take help of the deep state, the ISI and the terrorists to fight any kind of battle. And the befitting reply that the Indian army has given to the surgical strike, Abid ji, be warned, be warned. अभी तो ये नमूना है, अभी तो ये नमूना है, पिक्चर अभी बाकी है, ये ट्रेलर है, ट्रेलर आबिद जी, पिक्चर बाकी है, ये चाय वाय छोड़िए, घर के पीछे जाके छुपिए।
तुम्हारी ड्रामेबाजी है ना, हमें पता है।
No, can I tell ये जो वहां पे बैठे हैं, अच्छा रुकिए, इनको ये सरजमीन पार्टी वाले को जरा बंद कीजिए। आबिद राव ये जो बहुत ही सुनिए, ये देखिए, ये कंट्रोल में नहीं है। आप आबिद राव इनको कंट्रोल कीजिए, आबिद राव इनको कंट्रोल कीजिए, आबिद राव इनको कंट्रोल कीजिए, आबिद राव इनको कंट्रोल कीजिए। आउट ऑफ कंट्रोल हो चुके हैं, ये बहुत ही बदतमीजी कर रहे हैं और ये कंट्रोल में नहीं है, ये काबू में नहीं है। अपने आप को काबू में लाइए, काबू में लाइए अपने आप को। और ये तो कहा, ये तो ट्रेलर है। I think Gaurav Arya, what comes out very clearly, chaliye, we'll talk to serious people right now. Gaurav Arya and Ambassador Naqvi, who's sitting there with Mona. You see, Ambassador Naqvi.
I have a question to Pakistani guests.
Yeah, go ahead. Ask your question to Ambassador Naqvi.
Yeah, let the
I have a question for
discussion
Pakistani
be
guests.
one
If
by
they've seen the
one.
video, it's clear that the Pakistani
why are your
army
people
personnel
yelling
in
away?
their uniform are interacting with these
Shots.
terrorists at these camps before those camps are destroyed. Now, would they agree that Pakistani army is facilitating these terrorists at these launch pads to be infiltrated into India and Kashmir and to create terror there? Would they agree
Why
that
will
the
they
Pakistani
agree?
army
This
soldiers
is not
are seeing
correct.
the terrorists?
It is totally concocted and it is a fake story.
How is it fake?
You are
We have
always raising
accessed
such
8
issues which
minutes
are
of the
ridiculous,
video
and
of
the debate is
about
of no meaning
2 hours
if you
of
are
video that
just
is
shouting
available.
all kinds of.
Let me answer that.
Summit.
Pakistani guest has
Summit.
reminded.
Videos are available.
Summit. Everybody on the guest. Summit.
They believe
Summit
that
and Asad
you are
Mahmood.
not
Summit and Asad Mahmood. Summit and
But
Asad
let
Mahmood.
me remind the
Summit and Asad
Pakistani
Mahmood.
guest
Go ahead.
that five of their ministers had pledged that they would avenge surgical strike. If surgical strike was fake, if surgical strike is something that they don't believe in, why were they pledging avenging? Why were they pledging a revenge? Why were they saying they would avenge surgical strike?
Asad Mahmood reply.
That means deep within.
Asad Mahmood reply.
But they knew कि मुंह छुपाने लायक नहीं है, ना दिखाते बनता है, ना छुपाते बनता है. That was the situation of Pakistan.
Are we are bashing each other? I'm really unable to understand how the things are being dealt today.
You have already been.
But truth is being told.
This is not
You have already.
Truth is being told.
to each other that way.
Truth is being told. I've shown you the footage.
We tried to discuss with you. Don't send your infiltrators. Don't
we
send your
understand how
terrorists
these
across the
footages
border.
are-
Sir, let me tell you. Sir, let me tell you, Asad Mahmood. Let me tell you, Asad Mahmood. Asad Mahmood, let me tell you. Can I say one thing to Asad Mahmood? Asad Mahmood, can I say one thing after that? After that.
And non-state actors for the past 18 years.
क्या स्टेट नॉन स्टेट तमाशा बना के रखा है आपने? क्या स्टेट नॉन स्टेट एक्टर्स गौरव आर्य वही एक टूटी हुई रिकॉर्ड को उठाते हैं, पता नहीं लाहौर के चोर बाजार से उठा के रावलपिंडी के लैंग्वेज में बोलते रहते हैं। क्या स्टेट नॉन स्टेट एक्टर्स भाई मारेंगे सबको, स्टेट को भी मारेंगे, नॉन स्टेट को भी मारेंगे, चुन के मारेंगे। मारा, आपको बोला मारेंगे, मारा पाकिस्तानियों को मारा, स्टेट को भी मारा, नॉन स्टेट को भी मारा। और वीडियो में पूछे गौरव आर्य को स्टेट भी है नॉन स्टेट भी है।
फिल्में बनानी आती है।
अरे भाई स्टेट भी है नॉन स्टेट भी है, अरे स्टेट भी है नॉन स्टेट भी है। गौरव आर्य बोले, गौरव आर्य असद महमूद, क्या स्टेट नॉन स्टेट एक्टर्स तमाशा बना के रखा है आपने?
What are you talking?
गौरव आर्य, what state non state? You got both.
करें आप लोग।
गौरव,
ये है ना, यही सारा मसला है। और ये है, हमने बीट किया है। We have beaten you people.
I can understand. I sympathize with them. मैं
गौरव
sympathize करता
आर्य,
हूं
तुम्हें शर्म आनी चाहिए। Don't use this language.
आम दुनिया के सामने जलील होता है,
ये
तो
आपको
उसको
शर्म
थोड़ा सा
आनी
मुंह छुपाने में
चाहिए।
दिक्कत
और
होती
हमें
है,
पता है कि
समझने
शर्म
में
आपको
दिक्कत होती
कैसे
है। तो
दिलानी
that I
है।
can understand.
वो बड़ा वाला
सर, आप
बंदर
deny
जो है ना
करें।
आपका,
सर, आप करें deny, कोई बात नहीं।
जो
सर, I
बड़ा
can
बंदर
understand.
हमारे पास मौजूद
आपका
है।
दर्द समझ
कलभूषण
जाता
को
है,
भूल तो नहीं
समझता
गए
है।
हो ना?
कोई
कलभूषण को
मौजूद
भूले
नहीं
तो
आपके
नहीं हो,
पास,
याद
कख
है
नहीं
ना
आपके
तुम्हें?
पास, आपके पास कुछ नहीं है।
यही है, यही तो प्रॉब्लम है।
ऐसी
कलभूषण
फालतू की बात
भेजा
करते
था,
हैं।
बलोचिस्तान में काम करो,
प्रॉब्लम पाकिस्तान आर्मी है,
काम करो,
पाकिस्तान आर्मी की जो रीढ़ की हड्डी।
Who's that taking on the colonel? Let's watch it. Who's that? General Sinha? Is that General Sinha?
The nude face of your country.
RSN Singh, RSN.
And you
RSN.
yourself that you
RSN taking on Asad Mahmood. RSN.
Yes.
For God's sake.
RSN
see
boliye.
what you people are.
Colonel
And
Saab.
see the last report. What
Colonel
your
Saab.
army is doing in
Colonel
Kashmir.
Saab. You are
थोड़ा सा
such a
ख्याल करना
liar.
है।
You are such a liar. Please.
You are a liar. You are
Please
a
pick
biggest
up your
cheated liar.
instructions that were
You are
issued
biggest
by
cheated
your
liar.
GHQ Rawalpindi
Yeah,
during
and you are
that
lying
time.
here and there
All
everywhere
the
in the
leads
world.
were cancelled. And
Yeah,
I
you are
say
liar.
this with great responsibility.
Yeah, I can shout louder than you. You people are
The
liars.
leaves in Pakistan army were cancelled. And what, Arnab, do you expect these people
Oh,
to
क्या बात करते हैं आप?
Well said, well said, well said. You're liars, you're pathological liars. You have been established as a pathological liar of a country. You have been denying about the surgical strike, and now the footage of the surgical strikes is out on television. I am telling you, you now want to play the victim at the world stage. You are pathological liars. RSN is right.
You people have
RSN is right. That's why.
Right, you people have gone. You are warmongering country.
One
You are
minute.
warmongering
Let me
people.
make a very serious
Even
point
for that
now.
matter, your
Let me make a
government
very
is like
serious
that.
point.
And
Listen,
what are
listen,
you
Colonel
doing?
Saab.
You
It
call
is
us
my
here
considered
and we say
view
we should talk
that
some sense.
the
You people start
780 kilometers of line of control
छोड़े
is a bonanza for India.
We
Because
have beaten you
it
thoroughly
enables
in
us
past
to
80
generate
years.
any type, so many options, so many
छोड़े
deception
generate
plans.
को
You have
छोड़े।
just seen one
ये किस
example.
चक्कर में डाला हुआ है
You have just
हमारे ये
seen one
हिंदुस्तानी
example.
दोस्तों को।
You
वो
don't
छोड़े,
know
हम
where
आपकी तसल्ली
and
करेंगे।
what is going to hit you next.
अर्नाब मेरा
You
को
don't
बस
know
करो मेरी voice
that
को।
in that
You don't know exactly. You don't know what's going to hit you next.
What is going to
हाँ,
hit you
मेरी
next?
आवाज़ बंद मत
So
करें,
tell your
पहुंचने में
Pakistan
खुद
army,
कान भी
you
साफ हो
cannot
जाएंगे।
be, you guard your backside.
तसल्ली करेंगे
Guard your
आपकी।
backside, Colonel, I'm
तैयारी
telling
करा दो
you.
ना।
Now we will hit your backside.
और बिपिन रावत
I ask you today, viewers, watch this footage out here. Watch this footage. Asad Mahmood.
यार छोड़े
Asad Mahmood, look at the footage out here. Look at the footage. Look at the footage out here. The footage which we now have out here. And I am asking you, viewers, this is the reason. This is the reason. This is the reason. This is the reason, viewers. I repeat again and again. This is the reason. This is Asad Mahmood. Shanti, Shanti, Shanti. Shanti, Asad Mahmood. अरे भाई इतने डर गए आप. अरे इतने डर गए आप. इतने डरपोक हैं आप. इतने डरपोक हैं आप. कितने डरपोक हैं आप. कितने डरपोक हैं भाई. अभी तो मारा भी नहीं अच्छी तरह से आपको. अभी तो मारेंगे.
भाई हम तो तैयार हैं.
अभी तो मारेंगे आपको.
तैयार हैं आपके साथ.
अभी तो मारेंगे.
तसल्ली करनी है.
अरे अभी तो मारना बाकी है. जीडी बख्शी, जीडी बख्शी, जीडी बख्शी, जीडी बख्शी, जीडी बख्शी इनको बताइए कि अगर अच्छी तरह से मारा जाए तो फिर गो अहेड
आपको
अभी तो मारा भी नहीं. ये तो 10-20 इंडियन सोल्जर्स ने आपकी बत्ती बुझा दी.
साल की वॉर ऑन टेरर आपको मार
अरे छोड़िए ना यार, आपको कौन सीरियसली लेता है.
टेरर यस.
अरे आप एक कैसे देश है. अरे आपके जोकर्स इलेक्शन फाइट करते हैं. एक तरफ इमरान खान फाइट करते हैं, वो एक नंबर 1 जोकर, और दूसरे हफीज सईद. अब क्या देश है साहब. कहाँ के मुल्क हैं आप. टूट चुके हैं. अरे 1000 इंडियन सोल्जर्स भेजेंगे लाहौर पे, झंडा लहराएगा हमारा.
When General Rahil
क्या बात कर रहे हैं
Sharif was about to retire, he did not want to go with the ignominy. The same ignominy that Parvez Kayani had gone with.
Footage again.
Therefore, he
Let's run the
came up
footage.
with the brilliant idea of denial, complete denial. कि ये तो साहब हुआ ही नहीं. But your radio intercepts gave you away. These videos now have torn the mask off your face. The mask of lies. You are a country that lies through its teeth.
पूरी दुनिया को तो
अरे साहब, आप एक मुल्क हो जो अपने दांतों के थ्रू झूठ बोलता है. आपने कहा ओसामा बिन लादेन अबाटाबाद में था ही नहीं.
तो दे दे, छोड़े
6 साल आपने उसको पाल के रखा
खत्म करे
पाकिस्तान मिलिट्री एकेडमी काकुल के सामने.
वो जो इंडियन सोल्जर्स
और आपके परवेज कयानी साहब की आपके ही अफसरों ने हूटिंग करी थी.
क्यों छोड़ा हुआ है.
मैं कह रहा हूं आज
परवेज कयानी साहब की हूटिंग हुई थी
and viewers let me tell you one thing. I want you to watch this all across India. In fact, I want this footage to be played across Pakistan. मैं कह रहा हूं पाकिस्तान के लोगों को मैं कह रहा हूं फुटेज देखिए कैसे मारा पाकिस्तान के लोग, देखे कैसे चुन चुन के पाकिस्तानियों को मारा, दहशतगर्दियों को मारा, आर्मी के लोगों को मारा, चुन चुन के मारा, और कितनी आसानी से मारा गौरव आर्या पाकिस्तानियों को मारना कितना आसान है। यही तो बहुत ये कोई वैसे एक्स्ट्राऑर्डिनरी बात नहीं है गौरव, मगर सच तो ये है ना कि पाकिस्तानियों को मारना कितना अच्छा है। Viewers, I'll tell you one thing, viewers. Look at this raw footage of the Pakistani bunkers. The Pakistani bunkers are filled with terrorists. And the interesting thing here is, ये state non-state क्या ड्रामा है भाई? क्या ड्रामा है स्टेट नॉन स्टेट? गौरव आर्या इसमें जो शॉट्स हैं, गौरव आर्या RSN देखेंगे, there are state and non-state actors. है ना गौरव आर्य? there are Pakistani army and terrorists.
बिल्कुल
correct. Am I right?
There is nothing called as non-state in Pakistan. Everything is state.
ये असद महमूद कहते हैं non-state.
There is nothing called as non-state. No, Asad Mahmood, most of these panelists have been disturbed today after seeing these visuals. None of them would regain their composers for at least a few months. So please don't go by what these Pakistanis are saying. And I tell you, all the Pakistani politicians today have lost their face. So I doubt. And then remember as to how the Pakistani premier
Asad Mahmood and Samit.
Remember him?
Yes.
This is
yes.
he was stripped in America. अभी उनका कपड़ा खोल दिया था पाकिस्तान के प्रेसिडेंट का। ये दोबारा कपड़ा खुला है। ये आज दोबारा पूरे पाकिस्तान में कपड़ा।
ये फिर सरजमीन पार्टी आ गई।
सर पर क्या आ गया?
सरजमीन पार्टी संबित पात्रा, ये सरजमीन पार्टी वाले आ गए फिर से।
नहीं, I should remind.
संबित पात्रा।
I should remind these Pakistani panelists कि आपके प्रेसिडेंट के कपड़े उतार दिए थे अमेरिका ने थोड़े दिन पहले। आज इंडिया ने पूरे पाकिस्तान के कपड़े उतार दिए। आप लोग सब आज बेआबरू होकर खड़े हैं यहाँ पे। अब दुनिया को भी दिखा दो सर्जिकल स्ट्राइक होती क्या है। क्या करेंगे?
मैं ये कह रहा हूँ, viewers, I want to show the pictures once again. Gaurav Arya will describe the footage with me. Come on, have volume down, please. Let me speak. Now listen to me. As I look at the footage for the first time, I cannot imagine how we can look here. We see 7 people in the frame, 5 of whom are wearing some kind of khaki colored uniform, one of whom is completely head to toe black attire, and one of whom is in plain clothes. You can see a white kurta pajama. Next moment, they are blown to dust. Gaurav, did Mona see those pictures out there? Can we show it again for a look at those Pakistanis being blown to dust? Such a beautiful sight. Seconds. We finished them off in seconds. Gaurav, it looks so easy to hammer them.
I'll explain to Mona.
Yeah, explain to Mona in military terms, please.
I'll explain to Mona.
Explain to Mona in military terms, please. Gaurav. Mona ji. Mona, military terms से Gaurav explain करेंगे.
Mona ji, वो जो लोग खड़े हैं वहाँ पे जो चार लोग खुले में मोना जी सुन लीजिए. Think of me as your DS. जैसे एकेडमी में DS होता है ना. Think of me as your DS. इंस्ट्रक्टर मैं समझाता हूँ. ये जो खुले में पाकिस्तानी खड़े हैं, इनको मारा गया है 84 mm कार्ल गुस्ताव के एयरबस से. तो उसी समय ये चले गए सबके सब ऊपर. They went upstairs. Number 1. दूसरों के ऊपर फायर करा है अगेन रॉकेट लॉन्चर और ATGM मिसाइल. वो देखा ना आपने दिवाली का रॉकेट जैसा जा रहा है बड़ा सा. They have fired that. Now listen, मोना जी आपको ये समझना पड़ेगा. सुनिए, अगर आप इंटरप्ट करेंगे ऐसे टीचर को आप सीख नहीं पाएंगे. You will not learn and you will go back ignorant. This is something which will really pain me. आप चुप रहिए और आप सुनिए. आप सीखिए. I'm trying to teach you here. Now what has happened is that earlier there was a reconnaissance group that went inside. उन्होंने रेकी करा. उसके बाद जो डायरेक्ट एक्शन टीम थी पैरा स्पेशल फोर्सेस की वो गई और उन्होंने चुन चुन के टेररिस्ट मारे. उन्होंने पाकिस्तानी आर्मी मारे और क्लोज रेंज से मारे. क्लोज रेंज से जब इन्होंने असॉल्ट करा है between 300 to 40 meters.
अच्छा टेल मी वन थिंग. कौन अरुण शौरी? अरे कौन अरुण शौरी? अरे वन सेकंड. कौन है अरुण शौरी? कौन है? Who is Arun Shourie? मत रोना. Who is Arun Shourie? Sambit is responding.
मोना अब मत रोना ये देख
One second. Who is Arun Shourie? I don't know Arun Shourie. Arun Shourie is not a military expert. One minute. On the debate right now, I want to tell you viewers, let me tell you about the weapons used.
और जानो सर्जिकल स्ट्राइक क्या हुआ? बंद करो रोना मोना। रोना मोना बंद करो रोना। अब देखो सुनो मोना जी सुनिए, रोना बंद करिए। रोना मोना अब मत रोना प्लीज। अब सुनिए, ये रोना धोने से कुछ नहीं होगा। सुनिए,
अरे कार्टून
सुनो कॉफी पिलाओ, कॉफी पीने आई थी आप, कॉफी पीजिए मत बताइए। Arnab Goswami had seen her quietly sitting in a corner and sipping coffee, not interested because she was nervous. And suddenly when she appears in screen, she starts shouting over here. Mona, you have to understand you are an educated person. I don't want to shout at you, Mona. Mona, this is not the way.
Why are you spoiling my name,
all
mister?
of these Pakistani
How dare
terrorists
you?
have lost it.
You lost
no one
it.
is spoiling your name. I'm saying, I'm saying, Mona, अब मत रोना.
आपके मुल्क का नाम खराब कर रहे हैं।
नहीं, I'm not spoiling your name.
Okay, go to worry. Come on.
Miss Mona, अब मत रोना. I'm saying, don't cry.
Don't spoil my name.
रोना मतलब
यहाँ पे आपका नाम कोई खराब नहीं।
Asad Mahmood, Abid Rao is on the debate. Abid Rao, you're a military man. Abid Rao and Godavari are on the debate right now. And you look at our forces, they are firing M4A1 5.56 millimeter carbines, and they are using. There are terrorists possibly using the shoulder-fired Carl Gustav rifles, which they carried with them across the border. Now you see rocket launchers, anti-bunker missiles bombarding Target 3 on the screens, right? Now you understand this, that this is like small armory of the Indian Army. This is nothing. Asad Mahmood.
I know, your army for last 30 years
this is nothing.
is there only for
this is nothing.
shooting and Bollywood activities.
Arnab, I can hear you very well.
30 years,
and I know.
half a million
Okay, both the
Indian
Pakistani guys don't speak over each other.
Little freedom movement. You are talking about non-state actors. Who is Kulbhushan Yadav? Can you tell me what is his status? Is he a non-state actor or a state actor?
General Jaswal is on the screen. General Jaswal has been listening for the longest time. General Jaswal has been listening for the longest time. I apologize. I apologize to General Jaswal. I apologize to General Jaswal for keeping you waiting, sir. I did not have the proper audio-video line. General Jaswal will say something to you, sir. Very senior officer of the Indian Army. Let me tell you, Abid Rao, very senior, experienced officer of the Indian Army. Abid Rao, when General Jaswal speaks, the whole Pakistani army should stand and salute. The whole Pakistani army should stand and salute when General Jaswal speaks. General Jaswal, please, go ahead.
Marshal Abid Rao, please. I have great respect for you as an individual. And Madam Mona, please don't lose your calm. This is a debate.
Yeah, Mona.
Rather than acrimony, let's come to few facts. One, that all along, this has been established right from 57, when Ayub Khan told the US president that we cannot defeat India through conventional means, we have to defeat through unconventional means. You went in, Osama bin Laden, your own ambassador, Haqqani, then your...
Who told you, General, with all due respect, who told you that?
Who's responding? Naqvi. That's Naqvi.
Just let me finish.
That's Naqvi.
I will answer. Let me finish.
I can't hear Naqvi.
Okay.
Audio.
You in
General Pasha, he went to General Hayden. Please listen.
Well, this is
anyway, you don't want to
your
accept. That's your typical this thing. Let me finish, please.
Yes, I can't.
Let me finish. This is your damn story. You're not listening. You're not listening. How do you think you're right?
Story. Where have you got
please
it
let
from?
me finish and then answer.
Where did you get
then
it
you
from?
You are concocting it yourself because you cannot face the truth. Just a second, let me finish and then you can ask me.
That is unfortunately the case with all of
General
participants here.
General Pasha, will you please kindly keep quiet?
Thank you, sir.
Have due respect. I've shown respect, please. General Pasha, he went to General Hayden and he said, the operation was not ours. But the boys were asked, now, is this also fake? General Hayden has written in his book, and Condoleezza Rice has written. So this denial, you denied Kargil, you denied Kargil.
Sir, please, show respect.
I laugh at your shallowness, your knowledge, you know, the kind of knowledge that you have. Let me tell you one thing. Have you any idea what the LC is?
Pakistan-US relations that you would ever know.
No. I think I know a lot about it, but we'll not debate on it. It's your viewpoint. Have you ever been on the LC? Have you been on the LC? What goes on over there?
Ask Abid Rao.
What goes on over there? Do you know these areas where we went in for the surgical strike? So you don't have to answer that.
Tomorrow we will fire.
I'll ask Marshal Abid Rao.
There was no surgical strike.
Listen to me. Wherever we went in, just a second, please. We have done it and we don't have to prove it. Period.
Because you
we
can't
have done it, you can keep denying
you are
it.
sending Kulbhushan
We have done
and
it.
raw agents in there for subversion. You are going unconventional, sir.
No, please.
Absolutely, because you can't face
No, just a
Pakistani
minute,
armed forces.
please.
I'm telling you.
Oh, you've got Kulbhushan.
We have to go unconventional
You
with
got
India.
Kulbhushan who was picked up or sold to you. He was sold. Oh, really?
You keep telling
What have
lies,
you been
sir.
doing
Please don't
since
say that.
1990?
Please
Kulbhushan
don't say
was there
that.
in 1990.
He is an agent with us. We have 200 other people also. They are Indians.
No, just a second.
Your
No,
government
just
is
a
not owning
second. Marshal Abid Rao, I wouldn't like to... No. There is no such thing. You prove it. We have shown it to the international
Ajit Doval's
community.
recording here.
Your own
International community
NSA
has just
said,
Abhishek, India is the
NSA said
safest
there is
country.
not...
Why don't you debate that, sir?
The Interior
Every 20
Minister,
minutes an Indian woman is
said,
raped.
we don't have
Why don't you
any
debate that?
solid proof again
BBC report has come. We have given up India
Against
because it's
Jadhav.
going to implode on its own. We don't even consider India as our enemy because
You discussed the surgical strike first. You kindly discussed the surgical strike. We will talk about it later. We have done it. Period. We've caused a strategic effect. Period. We don't have to justify
These are all
it.
gimmickries. These are all, Bollywood stances. You made a film Phantom Camp, घुस के मारेंगे. वो किधर है? 5 साल हो गए घुस के मारने
घुस के मारा और मारेंगे. The problem is घुस के मारा और मारेंगे. No, Sambit is responding. No, you see, I'll tell you. Okay. Asad Mahmood.
बॉम्बे में बैठ के चीखना बहुत आसान है.
Asad Mahmood, देखिए. Asad Mahmood, देखिए Abid Rao, either you debate seriously or you don't debate. Because if you want to debate seriously, I will debate seriously.
You are joking.
No, but you are behaving like that man sitting next to you from the...
Hafiz Saeed.
You are sitting...
Today he must have realized what can be done to him. Hafiz Saeed.
You try that.
The
You try that.
These people sitting
You are
over
saying for
here,
last
he must
15
be the
years.
most afraid man today. Remember how
That's why he's changing professions and
exactly.
joining
That's why he
politics,
wants to come into politics
यार,
because he
आप
has
हमारे
realized
एक-एक
after
आदमी से
surgical
डरते हो.
strike that India can take on him.
और बात
And
कर रहे हो
let me tell you
surgical
one
strike
thing,
की.
sir, Mr. Abid
Your
Rao, I
Indian
will not
army is
disturb you
telling
when I'm
lies.
speaking. Mr. Abid Rao, is it not true? India, in the spirit of true democracy, before declaring it to the world media, first called your president and said that please pick up the dead bodies of the Pakistanis who have died. And thereafter we would declare it to the world media. And
Mona.
चुपके आया, dead body उठा के ले गया, and then we called to the world media that the surgical strike has been done. ये हमारी अच्छाई है.
If there were dead bodies in Pakistan,
मोना, फिर आप रोने के लिए आ गए. मोना, आप मत रोना.
Gaurav and Mona.
मोना, आप मत रोना, हो गया.
Where is your अच्छाई today?
मोना नहीं, अब मत
आज
रोना.
आप बताओ.
मोना, अब मत रोना. बड़े-बड़े आदमी. अरे
Gaurav.
हो गए, आप क्या कर रही हैं?
Gaurav, generally one of our...
I don't know from which
अरे आपके बड़े बड़े आर्मी के जवान यहाँ धराशायी हो गए हैं, आप बीच बीच में ये कॉफी पी के आके बीच में चिल्लाने लगती है।
गौरव is
spelling of surgical strike. No, Mona, what is the spelling of surgical strike? No, let me cross question Mona. No, just Gaurav ji, let me cross question Mona. No, let Mona change your teacher. I am your teacher now. No, what is the surgical spelling of surgical strike? She doesn't even know the spelling of surgical strike, and here she is debating with us.
No. Let's go back to a serious debate. Let's go back to a serious debate. Let's go back to a serious debate. 1 minute. Abid Rao and GD Bakshi. Abid Rao and GD Bakshi. Sambit, stop. Sambit, stop. 1 second. Abid Rao and GD Bakshi. You see, Pakistan has a problem with Modi. Just one minute. Pakistan has a problem with Modi because you see what happened with the surgical strikes is that these Pakistanis after 1971, when they begged to get their 90,000 people back and they professional beggars, after that they thought that this little Chinese nuclear bomb that they put out brings about some strategic balance between India and Pakistan. What Modi did was he busted that myth, GD Bakshi. We went in, we conventionally hammered you, then we had a press conference saying, listen, we did it. Now we released the footage. Now Pakistan thought it has a balance with India, but after the surgical strikes, they know where they are. हिम्मत नहीं थी उनकी बोलने की बात थी, मगर हिम्मत नहीं हुई कुछ करने की. So they don't like Modi because Modi gives it back to them. Is there any doubt about that? The Pakistan's biggest fear today is Modi. Is there any doubt about it? Their biggest fear about Modi is because there could be another surgical strike.
We are very happy that India is being ruled by a person as mad as Mr. Modi.
देखिए मोदी वाला प्रॉब्लम है आपका. संबित पात्रा. This is the problem. Pakistan's problem is Modi.
Strike, but they have lost it. And remember, sir, don't speak about Mr. Modi. I had seen Mr. Modi is a global leader.
I will.
Mr. Abid Rao.
Your problem is Modi.
Stripped your
He is your leader.
a few months ago.
For me, he is an enemy.
But
I know he is doing our job.
I know him.
जो इल्जाम आप हम पे लगाते थे, Mr. Modi is doing that.
और यहाँ पर आपको शर्म नहीं लग रही है? अरे मिस्टर आबिद राव,
शर्म आपको आएगी 5 साल बाद देखना.
वो तो ग्लोबल लीडर है.
ढूंढ के कहोगे थैंक यू. आप मुल्क को बचाओ. आपकी औरतें सेफ नहीं है. Every 20 minutes an Indian woman is raped. Dalits are being killed. बीफ के नाम पे कितने मुसलमान मार दिए आपने बूढ़े आदमियों को. कल परसों भी एक फिल्म देख रहे थे. You are very very जालिम लोग हैं, वैशी लोग हैं.
Then what is the problem with Modi? No, Gaurav Arya. You are such big Gaurav Arya.
Poor Dalits and Muslims.
No.
Christians.
Summit.
You are killing Kashmiris. ये यहाँ पे
RSN.
ये समिट वगैरह. Take a gun and go to Kashmir. Fight. We will meet you there. We will meet you there.
क्या लश्कर है तौबा में इंसान है?
अरे जंगली लोग और जंगली इंडियन से बड़ा जंगली कोई है नहीं. मोदी गवर्नमेंट हैज प्रूवन दैट. अरे बीफ खाने के शक पे आपने मुसलमानों को कत्ल किया है. यू हैव बर्न देयर हाउसेस. किस किस्म का इंसान है?
माय क्वेश्चन इज
सेकुलर इंडिया खत्म हो गया नेहरू के साथ. यू आर वाइल्ड पीपल.
Tell me one thing.
Cruel people.
Okay, tell me one.
You are intolerant people.
Tell
you
me
call
one.
yourself democrat.
We are very intolerant with Pakistanis.
Listen.
One second. Gaurav Arya बोल रहे हैं. Gaurav Arya. Gaurav Arya.
Very happy. Mr. Modi is accelerating that process.
सर आबिद राव जी अपने बड़ों के बारे में तमीज से बात करते हैं. वाइल्ड ये सब मत बोला करिए. हम अपनी सी पे आ गए, फिर आप भगेंगे वहां से जहां पे अपना काम गुजार रहे हैं. आप समझे? पहली बात सुनिए, आपने पूछा था कि कुलभूषण कौन है.
अरे मैं तो आपकी आवाज सुन रहा हूं, क्या कह रहे हो? कान नहीं खुजा रहा मैं.
वो यो कुलभूषण यादव वो हिंदुस्तानी है जिसको
भेजा था पकड़ा गया बेवकूफ आदमी.
अगर यहाँ पे कल अंबानी आपको चेक दे दे $100 मिलियन का, तो आप लोग उसको यहाँ पे बम्बई आ जाएंगे छोड़ने के लिए. ये नहीं है
अपने अपने जो ये जिन लोगों के नाम हमने लिए उनको बचा के रखना. अजीत दोवल को भी हम उठा के आएंगे.
आपके पोर्ट गिरवी सब बेच दिया चाइना को.
अरे छोड़ो बड़े उसका
कुलभूषण के लिए चेक दे देंगे.
आपसे मांग रहे हैं
भिखारियों, प्लीज you will do it. You have sold your country. You will sell everything.
Use this such a shameless language. पता नहीं कहाँ गए पढ़ के तुम आए हो यार. क्या जबान बोल रहे हो?
You have sold everything to China. आप
नहीं मैं कह रहा हूँ
हेयर स्टाइल भी चाइनीज है,
Sold everything to China.
सीधे सीधे हेयर स्टाइल आजकल
तुम
पाकिस्तान
हजार साल हमारे गुलाम रहे हो.
to China.
You have been a slave for 1,000 years.
But one second. I'll tell you something. You know what the Chinese say about you. You know what the Chinese say about you. You know what the Chinese say about you. The Chinese say.
You forget about
the
that.
Chinese say that the size of the Pakistani economy is about 1/10 the size of one of their internet companies. Hey, Pakistan is nothing. Pakistan is worth nothing. Pakistan is worth nothing.
यार तुम डरते हो हमसे.
Anyway, I want to ask you, Naqvi.
Fine, we are very small.
Naqvi. No. At least GD Bakshi will debate with Asad Mahmood. GD Bakshi and Colonel Asad Mahmood. GD Bakshi, Asad Mahmood. असद महमूद आप जरा जीडी बख्शी को बोले कि आपकी मोदी के साथ इतनी बड़ी प्रॉब्लम क्या है? सर्जिकल स्ट्राइक्स तो एक हुए. सोचिए
हमें ओके सुनो, हमें मोदी के साथ
आपको मारा इसलिए
प्रॉब्लम नहीं. आप मोदी को अगले 5 साल और रखें. वी आर वेरी हैप्पी. देयर इज एब्सोल्युटली नो इशू. But please take care of India, because if Modi stays another 5 years...
Right. The Pakistanis really want Modi to go. No, one thing is very clear. The only reason Pakistanis are like damn scared of Modi.
problem nahi hai. We are happy with Modi. Absolutely happy. What are you talking? अपने मुल्क का ख्याल करो.
You just need one more surgical strike.
सिख को छोड़ते हो, ना क्रिश्चियन को छोड़ते हो, ना किसी मुस्लिम को छोड़ते हो, ना किसी दलित को छोड़ते हो. What are you people?
GD Bakshi.
What are you going to do with India?
GD Bakshi.
कर्नल साहब एक मिनट. कर्नल साहब एक मिनट.
बताइए कि शांत रहें. ये बड़ा जरूरी है.
अरे साहब अब मेरी भी सुन लीजिए.
मत बोले.
अरे इस नाचीज की भी सुन लीजिए.
जीडी बख्शी
सुन लिया आपको ना साहब. कर्नल साहब ऐसा है. देखिए साहब ऐसा है, हमें मालूम है कि जब ये हमारी सर्जिकल स्ट्राइक गई थी, राहिल शरीफ साहब रिटायर हो रहे थे. वो मुंह पे कालिख पोत के रिटायर नहीं होना चाहते थे. तो उनको जो पाकिस्तान का स्टैंडर्ड टैक्टिक है, वो स्टैंडर्ड टैक्टिक है. उन्होंने डिनायल मोड है कि ओसामा बिन लादेन आपने अमेरिकनों से 31 अरब डॉलर खाए और उनके सबसे बड़े दुश्मन ओसामा बिन लादेन को आपने अबादाबाद में पाला. झूठ बोलना तो कोई आपसे सीखे.
एरिया कितना.
Okay, ending the debate today, viewers. I tell you one thing. Tell me one thing, General Jaswal. As I run the pictures, I just want to ask General Jaswal the last question today. General Jaswal, ये बताइए, General Jaswal को लास्ट सवाल है मेरा. Only General Jaswal audio on air, please. General Jaswal, do you feel proud today? Do you feel General Jaswal, all of us, General Jaswal for Indians all over India, should we feel proud? Arey 1 minute please yaar. General Jaswal, should we feel proud? As Indians?
Yes.
At this footage, at this video?
Absolutely. As an Indian, as an infantryman, as an army man. That's the reason I'm wearing my infantry tie today.
Correct.
Proud, and I salute our soldiers. And let me tell you, the sum total of the whole debate is, we have done it.
Yes.
We know it.
And we'll do it again.
We have prosecuted a lot of destruction, period, and it required, we will do it again.
We'll do it again.
We don't have to tell the parties.
We'll do it again. And I congratulate Abhishek Kapoor for a great scoop. Abhishek, fantastic story out there. Well done. And viewers, on this and more, with a big debate. I'll see you tomorrow evening at 9. Thanks for watching. Good night and goodbye.